CASC offer end-to-end turnkey production, including 3D design and modeling. Sheet metal profiles cut on our 5-axis water jet or Trump fiber laser are cold formed using the latest technology CNC press brakes. A comprehensive range of in-house tooling enables us to deliver a wide range of products from 0.5mm to 20mm over a 4-meter folding table. Quality is always at the forefront of our attention, with systems and procedures in place that have been internationally recognized by CASC as part of our fully integrated management system. Get in touch today to find out how our expert team can assist you with your next project. Unparalleled quality at CASC.